We are also concerned that during this period, it is when all the creative industry, entertainment industry, will be entertaining the public. But of recent, you have seen vulgar, obscene, and immoral acts by some of the entertainers and musicians when they are performing during their shows. We are experiencing unprecedented obscenity and vulgar languages. This period, people move with their families. They will have children going for these shows. It is really our role as government to regulate, as Ministry of Gender, under Uganda National Cultural Center and UCC. And you have seen, we already raised that matter with UCC, and UCC has acted in some circumstances. As you already know, we are now working on looking at not only punishing the musician, but also the events managers. Because when you are an event manager, you are the one and the managers of these musicians. We are also going to extend there. So I appeal, and I'm told even there was a foreign artist who performed, is it on 14th December in Lugogo, and they brought a bed on stage, and he performed sexual acts as performance on stage. This foreign musician, one Dex Dubs from Jamaica, on 14th December. How do you, as an organizer of event, somebody says, I want a bed and a mattress on stage, and you carry the bed and bring it on stage? So these are really unacceptable. So I want to send warnings that those who are performing during Christmas season and New Year perform what is decently acceptable under the UNCCA Act and UCC Act, Uganda National Cultural Center and UCC. Those ones are on alert to ensure that they bring to order, because we must protect our children and our community. I am so grateful for the public that has been recording in social media abuse of older persons, abuse of women, abuse of children. People are now vigilant. They record and then they post, and those has given evidence for prosecution, and all of you have seen. So for those who are out there, if you detect any abuse, please also record